In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cap or uncap your FPS on CS2, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by opening your console and making sure that your FPS is actually showing. So you're going to type in CL_show FPS and then 1. Now, once that's actually showing right here, you're going to type in FPS_max, and then you can do any max that you would like. So let's say I wanted to max it out at 60. It would then be maxed out at 60, and as you can see, it does not go any higher than that. Now, if you want to actually change that, you're going to open it up again, FPS_max, and you can change it back to 120. Now, after that, if you actually have a situation where your FPS is stuck, all you're going to do is click on your settings, click on video, and then in advanced video, make sure that wait for vertical sync is disabled, and that should fix it. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.